David Fix It for Fun. Today, we're going to find out if your average DIYer can rebuild an automatic transmission. This is a 4R100 out of a F350 with a 7.3, and she stopped moving about a year and a half ago. Anyways, we pulled the transmission out. I got some prices to rebuild it. We're trying to party on the budget, so we're going to see if it's possible. So I purchased an aftermarket kit offline. I bought all the tools because there are some specialty ones required, and I've got a manual. So we're going to see if your average Joe Schmo, this guy, can rebuild it. Okay, we're bringing you guys in for an inside look so you can see all the little check valves. And this had a little steel ball. Alright guys, well we got the 4R100 completely disassembled. So far so good. In the next video we're going to be doing a lot of cleaning. We're going to have the case clean, we're going to go through each individual component, disassembly, cleaning, reassembly, reinstall. That way I don't get ahead of myself and get tons of mixed up parts. So anyways, if you like the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.